So we will talk about inverter type error. Okay, it's normally it's caused because of like internal type form is different. Like error, it is like model number error exist. So what you did, you recently replaced your PCB of the VFD. So in that case, what you need to do, you just need to do the initialize the type form, and like it will be into the default setting is equal to 6. Initialize the type form, and after that, after that, what you can do, you can just like restart your VFD after pressing it. It will be working fine again. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.